Hello and welcome. My name is Ali Goff. I'm the owner and founder of Goff Legal. And if you're watching this video, you are wondering, is it too late to plan for Medi-Cal? The laws changed January 1st, 2026. And if you're thinking, oh gosh, I missed the boat, fear not. We still have some options for you. Now, it is true that some of the earlier planning opportunities have changed because the law went into effect and changed January 1st, 2026. But that doesn't mean Medi-Cal planning is over. That means our strategies have shifted. So if two sort of big classifications of people that we're going to be helping out. The first one is if you are currently on Medi-Cal and you qualified during the time period at which all assets were exempt, you're going to be recertifying, which means you're going to be telling the Department of Healthcare Services, here is my assets, here's my income, and making sure that you still qualify under the current rules. This means you need to make sure that before we get to that recertification date, that we are planning for those assets to make sure that they're properly titled and in the right place. This does not mean you start gifting money away immediately. Actually, that could cause you significant harm and disqualify you from benefits for months, sometimes years. But it is important that you contact our office because we can help you figure out what is the strategy now that we're in a different time frame, January 1st, 26 to the future. And how do we really plan for that so that you can keep those Medi-Cal benefits? The second category is if you are going to be going into a skilled nursing facility, or you might need some other qualification for other government programs that are not skilled nursing, not just Medi-Cal is not necessarily a program only for skilled nursing facilities, it has a lot of other benefits, but you still have to qualify under the same test. That is a good idea to contact us, schedule a strategy session for your Medi-Cal planning so that we can look hopefully well into the future and making sure that we're starting to plan now so that there isn't a crisis in the future in terms of this planning. The third one, bonus planning for people. If you have skilled nursing nowhere in the immediate purview, in the next 12 to 24 months, you have no plans to go into a facility and you don't think you're going to need Medi-Cal, you still have an opportunity to pre-plan. That means when you're talking to us about your estate planning, mention Medi-Cal, mention that you want to make sure that you have this flexibility in the future, and we can build in the correct language and powers into your documents. So if in the future this is the thing that we need to tackle with you and your family, we have the authority. The bad news is if people are not putting the right language into their documents, their power of attorney, and their trust, we might not have a solution for them if they do need to go into a skilled nursing facility and request assistance from Medi-Cal, the government, to pay for it. So that's the good news. We actually have planning opportunities. We have a lot of planning opportunities. They're not easy. That's why we're doing this to make sure that we've got clients who need this service, can really benefit from it. And we're happy to help if someone is looking for planning. You can contact us through our website, gofflegal.com. And I hope that you enjoyed this video.